Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your ALCATEL X3 2018, for the first you have to enter settings. Right now just enter Smart Manager, tap on the storage right here, and just to clear it, tap on the free up space, and here you can select the files that you want to delete. In my case it will be the Cristiano Ronaldo picture, so click on the free up, tap on the free up space. Right now we can turn on this manager automatically, but I'm gonna skip it and I tap on the no thanks. And as I said, easy way to clean storage in your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.